My name is Thanakor Surasem. Today I have a special video how to make a easy pancake. Let's do this. First, crack the egg into a bowl. Then pour in some milk and add a little sugar. Next, mix everything together and add some flour and vanilla. After that, stir the batter until it becomes smooth. Then, pour a batter into a hot pan. After that, cook it for a few minutes until you see bubbles. Finally, flip the pancake. Cook for a little longer and enjoy it. You can add some fruit or honey for more delicious. It have a little finger, so cute. Thanks for watching, teacher. Goodbye.